everyone, this is Miss Anna and it's an English lesson. I hope you're ready to improve your English. Let's start our lesson. Today we are going to continue talking about schools and education in Britain, which is why it is quite necessary to check what you remember about the stages of education in the UK. Let's do it with the help of a matching task. You need to match the stages with their explanations. Here are the stages: kindergarten, primary school, secondary school, college, and higher education in the left column. And here are the age equivalents and meanings: university education, further education, ages 11 to 15, preschool education, and ages 5 to 10. Take some time to think and match. All right, let's check what you've got. Kindergarten is actually preschool education. Students of ages 5 to 10 attend primary school. Teenagers of ages 11 to 15 attend secondary school. After that, most students get further education by going to college, and then they may get higher or university education. So, generally speaking, school education in the UK consists of two stages. These are primary school and secondary school. In the previous videos, you've learned about types of schools in the UK, so you may remember that there are state and public schools. State schools are local authority-maintained schools. They are free to all children between the ages of 5 to 16. A public school is an independent secondary school. Public schools in England are not run by the government. Students of state schools can enter public schools when transferring from primary to secondary schools. It is required to pass an entrance exam to enter a public school in the UK. The entrance exams used by most public schools are known as common entrance exams and are taken at the age of 11 for girls or 13 for boys. So, as you understand, secondary education in the UK is organized in a very reasonable way. Of course, the facts that we've learned don't tell us everything about schools in the UK. There's so much more to explore. That's why now you're going to read and listen to the dialogue between two students who are discussing a project on education in the UK. Write down the 5 words that are missing in the dialogue on the screen. Brenda: Hi Ivan, how's it going? Ivan: It's okay, thanks. I need to find a partner for our English project. Do you want to work together? Sure, why not? I can also ask Catherine to join us. Right, that would be nice. So, have you got any ideas about the project in general? Yeah, I've been thinking of comparing e-learning in the UK to online learning in Ukraine. Are you going to compare secondary school online education? I mean, not the college or university. You've got it right. I want to investigate the differences in online studying, whether they change the curriculum or not, which programs tutors and teachers use to communicate, and which tools they use to teach and learn things. Wow, that sounds kinda tough. It must be quite challenging but interesting. I'm in. Nice to hear that. Okay, so now I'm thinking that we could actually search for some information about how the process of e-learning is organized in state and public schools. I'm not sure there are too many differences, but we may find some curious facts about public schools. They usually have more facilities than state schools, so this can be a great thing to learn about. Oh, that's lit! You are godsend! We've got so many ideas now that will make the best project ever. No doubt we will! Let's check if you've got the words right. 1. E-learning. 2. Online. 3. Tools. 4. Public. 5. Facilities. Now let's focus on some useful phrases for you to learn. Sure, why not? That would be nice. You've got it right. I'm in. You can use these phrases to express agreement and when you like an idea of doing something. That's lit. This phrase is similar to that's cool, but it's much more lit to use this one in your communication. No doubt. Use this phrase when you are totally sure about something and you don't hesitate. Well guys, that's it for now. Today you've learned some fascinating facts about the education system in the UK and practiced your language skills. Remember to check the extra materials to this lesson below the video. See you in our next video. Bye!